Welcome to the new chapter, installation of the MySQL. So we will see how exactly you will install the MySQL. These are the general steps you need to follow. So the process begins with downloading concern software, right? So whenever you click this link, first download the MySQL, you will open this page, and over here you will try to find out where is MySQL, where can I download it, right? So this is the enterprise edition, this is the cluster edition, but what we need is a community edition. Can you see MySQL community? Click on this link, and here if you can see over here, you can either download this, whatever you need to download, but right now we are looking for this, you can say community server, or if you are on the Windows, very effective tool is MySQL installer for Windows. Just go over here and it will start downloading the Microsoft installer file, Microsoft installation file, right? Or if you want to download on your own, just community server, and you may look for your file and that file can be downloaded. But I will highly recommend, if you are on a Windows, you should go with the MySQL installer, right? So first download, download the free edition, a community edition, or the commercial edition. I will not ask you to do this commercial edition. Just select the community edition. I shown you from where you will go to the community edition. Download. Then run the installer. Right? Whenever you run the installer, read and click the next button. Don't do blindly. Read and then do next. Not like this. Read what they want to say and then perform the action. So running the installer, it will ask you a few things, where to store, shortcuts and other things that will happen in this thing. Now configure the MySQL. So during the installation process, right, MySQL will ask few things. So keep default, keep developer default. Don't try to change it. Keep it default. Okay. Now set the root password. This is very important step. Before creating the password, first note it down somewhere, because once you lose the password, there is lot of trouble. You will face a lot of trouble if you miss this password. Note it down first somewhere and then write it into the software. Then provide it to the MySQL, right? Your username would be root and there would be some password. Username would be root and there would be some password. Remember, then that password is important. Throughout this course, we would be needing this password. Okay, then complete the installation. Once configuration is complete, proceed with the installation. The installer will create some files on your system. Okay, and after that, there is one step called as verification. You need to verify your installation is done or not. Just open the command prompt like this. Open the command prompt and type MySQL. Hit the enter. Can you see access denied for the root at localhost using the password no, which means that something is happening once you type the MySQL. If you see something like this, your MySQL setup has been done successfully. Your MySQL setup has been done what? Successfully. Right? If you see something like this, so you need to go to the Windows search bar and type MySQL command prompt, or you can open the normal command prompt also. After installation of the MySQL, you might need to restart the system. Restart the system. Okay. And then when you open the normal command prompt, CMD, if you open the normal CMD, try to type MySQL. If you see something like this, well and good. Also go in the search bar and try to find out MySQL CMD. There will be separate MySQL CMD which will ask you for a password. I will show you in the next video. Whenever we will start the prompt, you'll understand what I mean to say. But if you see something like this, which means that MySQL setup is done, either in the terminal, either in the normal command prompt, or in the specific MySQL command prompt. I hope you have understood this installation process. I hope you have followed along with me. If not, you can try it on your own. If you have understood, write it in the comment box. If you have any questions, also write it in the comment box. Thank you. See you in the next video.